5 miles. Charlie 39 uniform, clear visual approach runway 36 left, contact Lakefront Tower 190.9. Jet plan call. And airport number 3 following Seneca, and a left base runway 36 left, runway 36 left, clear the language 290.12, gust 18. Alright, clear lane 36 left, we've got the guy on the short final, looking for the Seneca, 04 November. Lakefront Tower, cash 24. About a 7-mile visual straight in, clear 36 left. Cash 24, Lakefront Tower, continuing inbound, 290.10, gust 18. Cash 24. 24 November, Captain landing clearance extended downwind, I'll call you ready. Alright, extend downwind, you call the base, 04 November. Cessna 39 November, Lakefront Tower, right. Cash 24, runway 36 left, clear to landing number 2 behind a Seneca in a left base. Cash 24, cleared to land on 36 left, looking for traffic. Tower, Cash 24, if we could just continue in for a initial for a break. Cash 24, roger. Left brake approved. Enter a 4-mile initial. Cash 24, disregard, just continue in the initial. Brake at your discretion. Cash 24, what's your pattern altitude, sir? Cash 24, your present altitude fine, sir. Cash 24. Stand 39 November, runway 36 left, clear to land. 704 November. Negative. 39 uniform, you on frequency? November 39er uniform, runway 26 left, clear land. Break Bonanza 04 November, number 2, following a Cessna on a 1-mile final, clear to land. Clear land 36 left, 04 November. And 04 November, disregard, extend downwind again, 5 southbound, traffic's a beach jet on a 6-mile final. Roger that, sir. How much longer are we going to go to the south, 04 November? And 04 November reports the beach jet in sight, and you'll be following him. I got the beach jet about 9 o'clock now, 04 November. And 04 November, roger. Follow the beach jet on final. Follow the beach jet, 04 November. Cash 24, gear down, 36 left. Cash 24, runway 36 left, clear to landing, number 2, following a Cessna, short final. Cash 26, number 2, traffic in sight, clear to land. Jet 180's visual 36 left. Jet 180 Lakefront Tower, runway 36 left, clear to landing, number 2, following a text 2 in a 1-mile final. Little land 36 left, Jet 180. Cessna 39er uniform, keep your text speed up, turn left on Papa. Cessna 77 Quebec, runway 36 right, clear for the option. Traffic's a beach jet on a 3-mile final for 36 left. Cessna Quebec, 36 right, yeah, thank you. Yeah, we have the beach jet in the side, thank you. Zero Echo Romeo, join us over to departure. Cessna Zero Echo Romeo. Are you due eastbound now? Yeah, we're 8 miles to the east. Zero Echo Romeo, roger, contact north departure. Zero Echo Romeo. Number 39 uniform, roger, contact ground point 7. One of those Cash 24, turn right at Juliet, contact ground point 7.
For Victor Roger, you have landmark, flight line, and